planes. There are planes up there doing stunts. Did you see that? I hope the camera picked that up. That was fucking amazing. See if we can get a better look. I know there's an airport around here somewhere, so we're bound to find them. There they are. Check them out. Check them out, guys. Check them out. Look at this shit. That majestic as fuck. Oh my gosh. He's banking around. Did you see that? That is the coolest fucking thing ever. Where'd the others go? They're behind me. They're on my 6! Bogey is on my 6! Here they are. This is where they are. It's gonna drop here. I wonder if I need a ticket. Hope you guys can see that, eh? Listen. Coolest fucking thing ever. Ah. Coolest fucking thing ever. Fuck motor vlogging. I want to become a pilot. Strap a GoPro to the side of my pilot's helmet. Do a few flips and shit. How about that? Oh, shit, I missed a landing. That's so quiet. Check him out. Blop, 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 blop. There's old plane engines. Don't know much about them. But I know they're awesome as fuck. Man, I just stumbled across this, hey. Glad I picked this place. Glad I picked a U-turn. Instead of going back out on the highway, I would have missed all this. That is cool as fuck. Oh man. Moscow Aero Club. Oh, Russians. The Russians are coming. That was what was said on the side. Oh shit, that was a bumpy landing. Wow. He bounced up and down 4 times. Fucking cool. I think that was it. Oh, there's another one. He made a much more smooth touchdown. He's throttling up. He's throttling up. It's going to take off. No. No way. Oh, he's got smoke. Wait, that's a bad kind of smoke. Smell that oil. It's just gonna sink in. Fucking cool. Look at him just waving. Hey guys, how you going? Fucking awesome, man. Come here for the free show. Stumbled the fuck across this, eh? Had no idea. Who'd have thought, guys, we'd stumble across a freaking air show. Look at this. I think that's it. All parked. Reckon we should head off? Bloop, 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 bloop. Alright. Let's do stuff. Let's go home. Having so much fun this weekend. So much fun. I'm not even bothered that I'm stuck behind a learner driver. Oh man. Guys, thank you all very much for watching these last few videos. I had a lot of fun. It's been a pleasure. I've been Hugs. I'll call myself Hugs now, because it's awesome. You've been awesome as well. And I'll see you all next time. Oh yeah.